how much should you actually spend on a commercial backpack vacuum? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly which models are worth your time and your budget.
Product number 1, Sanitaire SC679K Tradition. Let's start with the Sanitaire SC679K Tradition. This is a classic upright commercial vacuum, not a true backpack, but it's often grouped in searches because of its commercial use. Priced at just under $150, it caught my eye for its no-frills durability and massive 18-quart bag capacity. If you want raw cleaning power on carpets without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 800-watt motor runs for over 500 hours of commercial-grade cleaning. That's years of daily use in offices or schools. The 30-foot cord gives you a massive 4,680 square feet of cleaning range, so you're not constantly unplugging and moving outlets. Plus, at only 12.2 pounds, it's lighter than most uprights, and the tool-free brush roll makes maintenance a breeze. It's built like a tank with a polycarbonate hood that handles bumps and drops. Now, some people complained about the lack of HEPA filtration and the fact that it's not actually a backpack model, just a lightweight upright. Here's the thing though, if you're cleaning large carpeted areas and don't need mobility over stairs or tight spaces, this is still a workhorse. But if you need to move around furniture or clean multi-level spaces, the cord and upright design become a real limitation. This is perfect for you if you manage a single-floor office or school hallway with mostly carpet and want maximum capacity and minimal downtime. Skip this one if you need to clean stairs, tight corners, or prefer a hands-free backpack design. For under $150, it's solid value if your needs match its strengths.
Product number 2, Atrix ErgoVac BP10 Premium. Now, if the Sanitaire's lack of backpack mobility bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Atrix ErgoVac BP10 Premium Bundle steps up with a true ergonomic backpack design, priced at $189.99. It's lightweight, includes a full accessory kit, and is built for professionals who need to move fast. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1400-watt motor delivers 106 CFM of suction, strong enough for commercial floors, carpets, and even upholstery. The 4-stage HEPA filtration traps fine dust and allergens, which is critical if you're cleaning hospitals, schools, or offices with air quality concerns. The waist strap and low-profile design let you clean for hours without back strain, and the included 10 filters mean you won't be scrambling for replacements. Now, some people complained about the 8-quart bag filling up quickly on large jobs and needing frequent changes. Here's the thing though, for most daily commercial routes, that's manageable, and the shakeout bag design makes emptying it fast and clean. The real win here is the bundle. You get a turbo brush, crevice tool, extension wands, and even blower nozzles. Everything you need right out of the box. This is perfect for you if you're a contract cleaner handling offices, warehouses, or multi-surface environments and want a complete ready-to-use system. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation or plan to clean massive areas without bag changes. At under $200 with all these tools, it's a steal. Product number 3, Atrix Ergo Pro.
All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for noise-sensitive environments. The Atrix Ergo Pro runs at just 72 decibels, quieter than a phone dial tone, while packing the same 1400-watt motor and 106 CFM suction. Priced at $231.59, it's a step up in refinement. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're cleaning offices during business hours, hotels, or schools, noise matters. This vacuum won't disrupt meetings or guests. The 8-quart HEPA bag still captures fine particles, and the ergonomic harness distributes weight evenly across your back and hips. It's only 19.25 pounds, so you can wear it for hours without fatigue. Now, some people complained about the lack of a longer extension cord in the base model. You're stuck with a standard cord unless you buy an add-on. Here's the thing though, this model is designed for efficiency in compact routes, and most professionals already have extension cords. It's not a deal breaker, but it's something to note. This is perfect for you if you need powerful, quiet cleaning in professional settings where discretion and comfort are key. Skip this one if you need maximum reach without extra cords. for the performance and noise level, it's excellent value.
Product number 4, Atrix Vac CBP1-PK Pro Bundle. Now, if the Ergo Pro's cord length frustrated you, this next model fixes that and adds even more. The Atrix Vac CBP1-PK Pro Bundle includes a 25-foot extension cord, a storage bag, and 10 extra filters, all for $249.99. It's the same core vacuum, but upgraded for serious professionals. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The added cord gives you over 50 feet of total reach when combined with the built-in cord, meaning fewer plug switches on large floors. The full accessory kit includes everything from a turbo brush to a blower adapter, so you can switch from vacuuming to dusting ceilings or clearing debris in seconds. The HEPA filtration remains top tier, and the 106 CFM suction handles everything from hard floors to thick carpets. Now, some people complained about the weight distribution when fully loaded with tools. It can feel front-heavy if you're not adjusted properly. Here's the thing though, once you tighten the waist strap and adjust the harness, it balances out. This isn't a flaw in design, just a learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want a complete, no-compromise cleaning system with maximum reach and versatility. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only clean small spaces. For the extras, it's worth the jump. Product number 5, Atrix Ergo Pro Clean Kit at $299.99. This includes the Ergo Pro vacuum, 10 HEPA bags, a carry bag, and a massive 50-foot heavy-duty extension cord. It's the most complete package Atrix offers. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 50-foot cord eliminates outlet hunting entirely on large properties. The extra HEPA bags mean you can clean for weeks without buying supplies, and the storage bag keeps everything organized. The 72 decibel operation, 106 CFM suction, and 4-stage filtration remain unchanged, so you're getting peak performance with maximum convenience. Now, some people complained about the price. Nearly $300 is a big jump. Here's the thing though, if you're a full-time cleaner, this pays for itself in time saved and reduced downtime. It's an investment, not an expense. This is perfect for you if you're a professional cleaner managing large commercial accounts and want the ultimate in reach, filtration, and organization. Skip this one if you're part-time or cleaning small spaces. For serious users, it's the best value in the long run.
So which one should you buy? The Sanitaire wins on price and capacity for flat carpet cleaning. The Atrix VCBP1 Premium is the best budget backpack with full tools. The Ergo Pro shines in quiet environments. The VCBP1-PK adds reach and extras. And the Pro Clean Kit is the ultimate for full-time pros. Choose based on your space, noise needs, and budget. There's a winner here for everyone.